Crafting unbreakable beauty from materials once dismissed as waste begins with a shift in perception. Seeing discarded rebar and broken concrete not as debris from construction sites, but as raw elements of enduring design with immense potential for outdoor furniture that can outlast trends, climates, and time itself. In a world increasingly aware of sustainability yet still dominated by disposable products, transforming concrete scraps and twisted steel into elegant, indestructible outdoor pieces represents both a creative rebellion and a practical solution. Concrete, often associated with cold infrastructure and unfinished spaces, holds an understated versatility when reclaimed and refined, while rebar, with its linear strength and industrial character, becomes a sculptural backbone capable of carrying both physical weight and visual presence. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The journey begins at the margins of construction zones, demolition sites, or renovation leftovers, where chunks of concrete bearing the marks of their previous life and lengths of steel reinforcing bars lie forgotten. These materials already carry stories of labor, architecture, and endurance, and when reclaimed responsibly, they offer a sustainable alternative to newly manufactured resources, reducing environmental impact while celebrating resilience. The process of crafting outdoor furniture from concrete and rebar is as much about patience and intention as it is about technique. Broken concrete is carefully selected for integrity, ensuring it has not degraded beyond use, then crushed or reformed depending on the desired outcome. Some fragments are ground into aggregate, becoming part of a new concrete mix that blends old and new into a seamless whole, while other pieces are intentionally left partially intact, their rough edges softened but not erased, allowing texture and history to remain visible. Rebar scraps are cleaned of excessive rust while preserving their raw, industrial character, then bent, cut, and welded into frames that define the furniture's silhouette. These steel structures are not hidden. Instead, they are celebrated, acting as visible skeletons that contrast beautifully with the solid mass of concrete surfaces. A bench may curve gently through a garden, its rebar legs forming rhythmic lines beneath a thick, polished concrete seat, while a table might appear almost sculptural, balancing weight and lightness through thoughtful proportions. Casting concrete for outdoor furniture requires a deep understanding of both material behavior and environmental demands. Molds are designed not merely for shape but for longevity, accounting for drainage, expansion, and exposure to sun, rain, and temperature changes. Each pour is deliberate, with the concrete mixture adjusted to achieve strength without sacrificing refinement, often incorporating reclaimed aggregate for added texture and sustainability. As the concrete cures, time becomes a collaborator, allowing the material to gain strength gradually, its surface evolving from raw wetness into stone-like permanence. Once released from its mold, the piece is refined through grinding and polishing, revealing subtle variations in tone and texture that give each item a one-of-a-kind presence. Sealing the surface enhances weather resistance while maintaining a natural matte or satin finish, ensuring the furniture can withstand years of outdoor exposure without losing its aesthetic appeal. What elevates these creations from utilitarian objects to high-end outdoor furniture is the careful balance between rawness and refinement. Concrete's inherent heaviness is offset by thoughtful design choices that introduce visual lightness, such as slender rebar frames, floating surfaces, or negative space that allows air and light to pass through. The furniture feels grounded yet graceful, powerful yet calm, embodying a quiet confidence that mass-produced outdoor pieces often lack. In gardens, patios, and courtyards, these concrete and rebar furnishings become anchors, harmonizing with natural elements like stone, wood, and greenery while standing resilient against the elements. Rain does not threaten them, sunlight does not weaken them, and time only enhances their character, allowing subtle patinas and surface changes to deepen their beauty rather than diminish it. Sustainability lies at the heart of this craft, not as a marketing term, but as a lived practice. By reclaiming materials already present in the built environment, the process reduces the demand for new cement production and steel manufacturing, both of which are energy-intensive and environmentally costly. Each piece of furniture represents a small but meaningful act of environmental stewardship, turning waste into permanence and scarcity into abundance. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Moreover, the longevity of concrete and rebar furniture challenges the culture of replacement, offering outdoor pieces designed to last decades rather than seasons. This durability translates into long-term economic value, as owners invest once in furniture that will not warp, rot, or rust away under outdoor conditions, making it both a sustainable and financially sound choice. Beyond practicality, crafting outdoor furniture from concrete and rebar taps into a growing appreciation for material honesty and architectural aesthetics in everyday living spaces. These pieces blur the boundary between furniture and sculpture, transforming patios and gardens into curated environments rather than temporary setups. A concrete lounge chair becomes a statement of permanence and calm, inviting rest while asserting its presence, while a minimalist rebar-framed dining table turns outdoor meals into experiences grounded in design and craftsmanship. The tactile quality of concrete, cool to the touch and visually solid, contrasts beautifully with the organic softness of surrounding plants, creating a balanced dialogue between the built and natural worlds. For the maker, working with these materials is both challenging and deeply rewarding. Concrete demands respect for its weight, chemistry, and curing process, while rebar requires precision and strength to shape and assemble. Yet within these constraints lies creative freedom, as the materials respond dramatically to subtle changes in form, texture, and finish. No two pieces are ever exactly alike, and imperfections become features rather than flaws, reinforcing the authenticity of handmade work. This hands-on relationship with robust materials fosters a sense of connection and accomplishment, as each finished piece stands as tangible proof of transformation, turning what was once discarded into something purposeful and enduring. In the context of modern outdoor design, concrete and rebar furniture resonates with contemporary sensibilities that value minimalism, sustainability, and longevity. It fits seamlessly into urban terraces, modern villas, and rustic landscapes alike, adapting to its surroundings while maintaining a strong identity. Designers and homeowners alike are drawn to its ability to ground a space, providing visual stability and functional reliability without excessive ornamentation. The furniture does not compete for attention, but commands respect through its presence, offering a timeless alternative to trend-driven outdoor decor. Ultimately, crafting outdoor furniture from concrete and rebar scraps is about redefining beauty itself, proving that elegance does not require fragility and that sustainability does not mean compromise. It is about recognizing the latent potential in materials shaped by industry and giving them new purpose through thoughtful design and skilled craftsmanship. These pieces stand as monuments to resilience, creativity, and responsibility, embodying an unbreakable beauty that mirrors the materials from which they are made. In gardens and outdoor spaces around the world, they quietly affirm that what we choose to discard can become the foundation for something lasting, meaningful, and profoundly beautiful. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.